Hi again and welcome back to yet another movie. And today we have a Hubsan X4 PLUS H107P. It's not like the smallest drone in the world or something, but it's quite fun, and Hubsan has been on the market for quite some time, so I think it's gonna be some good fun with this little drone. And if you put your thumbs up and put in a like, and maybe we'll be seeing more drones on this channel. So I'm gonna take a little look on the box first. You can see it's X4 PLUS H107P. This does not have a camera. I haven't bought a drone with a camera yet, so I don't know if you guys like it, or if you guys just want me to see me flying stuff, or yeah, put it in the comments below and we'll see. So it flips and rolls. It has a headless mode, altitude hold, 2.4 GHz RC series. You can fly outdoor, indoor as well. You got built-in LED lights. So we're just gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up. Hubsan X4. So this is what you see when you open it. The drone is the first thing. And this has accessories on both sides, so maybe there's some charger or something like that. Just gonna put that aside just for a second. And here you have the controller. It's quite huge controller, good size for the thumbs, smooth everything. Yeah. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buttons. 7, 8 total buttons, and you got an on and off switch. You got a little LCD screen here. Probably gonna show you some battery or everything. Here is the instruction manual. So always remember to check your things when you buy RCs. So I don't think there's anything more inside of here. Let's see what we got for accessories. Spare parts, it says here. I'm gonna open that one. Okay, so you get some extra propellers. That's always good. Here's a charger, a little screwdriver, and a little tool. Nothing more, nothing less. And in the other box, it's totally empty. So that is the accessories that you get. And here is the magnificent drone. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. Gonna put in the battery. This is what the LCD screen looks like. That thing is paired right now. Just gonna see if it can start. You guys don't see it really. Here you can see it. And it starts. This flies pretty well, I would say. I haven't crashed with it yet. So I had some training with my other drone that you all guys probably saw. The little Hubsan drone X4 PLUS H107P. So guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing slash review of the Hubsan X4. I will leave a link in the description for it. I didn't buy it there, but I'm just gonna leave a description, a link, because everyone is always asking for a link. So thank you again for watching. If you liked it, leave it a thumbs up. If there's something you're wondering about, leave a comment down below. And if you're not subscribing, please do. And I'll see you in the next one. Have a really good time and enjoy this day. If you want, you can check out this video or ruminating on this channel, wherever. I can't really talk.